It's a pepper.
Just.
Hey guys!
Hi.
Welcome back to Pocket.watch Studios. My name is Jetta.
I'm Brandi.
And today we were playing the weirdest gummy challenge.
We like to torture ourselves.
For your enjoyment.
Good job.
Can you just go ahead and
That's
like
it.
this video already, just out of pity?
Please
we would
comment,
love your pity like.
subscribe.
We're gonna unmask the gummies within. We're gonna taste them blindly, and we're gonna try to guess what flavor they are. And these are supposed to be just heinous,
Disgusting.
just bad.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So there should be two pieces. This is them. It feels
It
like a
feels like a
Lego?
Band-Aid. It's just scab.
It's a bubonic plague
Is this
flavored
pus?
gummy.
Okay, let's try it.
1, 2, 3.
Huh. Why is it so chewy? Tastes like cherry.
I'm gonna guess medicine.
I'm just gonna say Band-Aid though. Take a peeky.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh.
It is
We're
a
amazing.
Band-Aid.
Oh God. Let's see.
Oh my God. There's arms.
There's a lot happening. Oh. 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 I'm sorry.
It gets so much worse with time. I want to guess decaying foot.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Ready?
What pleasures are in store?
1, 2, 3. Oh, you're big! Gosh.
Oh man.
Surprise, surprise.
This feels
Like a weird egg.
Animal?
Animal egg?
I don't understand you. I'll try.
Ooh, oi.
Bad.
It tastes like a clean bathroom.
I think it feels like a spider. It's something with legs.
Taste, cleaning product.
Yeah.
Feel, octopus.
So it tastes like sea turtle?
Is that, how?
Is this illegal? I'd give you a what I would give you. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you're sticky. Oh.
What?
Excuse?
Oh my God!
Oy, oy, oy,
Oh
oy.
no!
Oh, wow. It's like greasy. Oh. What? Why?
What is that?
That's spicy. Hey, that's not right. Pepper.
Rat poison?
Jalapeno pepper.
Why? Why would you do this?
I've had this.
You didn't want the gummy for this one.
You offend me. It's another pepper. Oh, looky here. A pepper.
Is it?
Yes.
Why did you come back?
It's his dad saying, hey, my son is
I don't
perfect.
know what kind of flavor this is.
It's just pepper and
It's hot.
ouch.
We ordered the filet mignon. The filet buffet.
The filet mignon.
Why is it in a bowl? Is it gonna crawl away? What are you? It feels like a snake
I don't-
that's wearing a hat.
Boots. Oh, it smells weird. Okay.
Oh my God, what is that smell? Did you taste it?
Yeah. What? What's happening right now?
I'm gonna flip this table over.
See anything?
So what should we guess?
I'm gonna guess booger.
Poison.
Let's try and look at it.
Maybe they went extinct because they taste so darn bad.
Oh yeah.
I hope this is water flavored.
Yeah.
It's refreshing.
It's in a bowl. Like, there's a lot. What are you? Oh, just regular gummy bears, right? Huh? A what? Come again? Oh, bubble bath.
Pardon? Baby shampoo.
Yes. This is watermelon flavored gummy bears, and now that you say watermelon,
Now
I taste it. It's crazy how your mind plays tricks on you. It's a small world after all. Oh,
It's a pepper.
just holy crap! I didn't try it, but now I'm terrified. Are you kidding me?
Ghost pepper. Okay, this is the finale.
It hurts to laugh.
Brandi, I have a stem!
I don't want it.
Oh my God.
I can't even.
I know what you are.
It's a pickle.
That's a pickle. It smells. I can't tell you at home
How much?
what we are experiencing
This is-
today.
Oh, why? Where? When? Why? I don't get it. I don't understand it. Angry.
I surrender.
Insulted.
You win, gummies. Thank you for watching. If you
like to see
enjoyed this
us die.
video, then you are a sick person.
Evil. Pure evil.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what other gummies you want us to eat.
Bye.